RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. We're ready to show off our V-Support headrests for the Tesla Model 3, Model S, Model X, and Model Y. Now this is our Gen 2 headrest. We've increased the amount of adjustments you can make so it fits everybody. So let's take a look at it. This is the final product, exactly how you're gonna get it. You're gonna notice the buckle and the elastic in the back is covered by a beautiful matching vinyl sleeve. This is all for cosmetics reasons. When you're sitting in the back seat, you're not gonna see the hardware or see it stretch or not stretch. And this is designed to work for all length adjustments. The smallest to the largest, all 8 inches will cover up the entire hardware area. So let's talk about Gen 2, why we're calling this Gen 2. So if you take everything apart, you're gonna see that you have the buckle, the elastic, the vinyl strap that's gonna cover it. And now we're featuring 3 cushions inside to give it a 3-way adjustment. So if you were to open up the back by unzipping it, inside you're gonna have 3 foam cushions. They're now odorless, and also they can be configured one of 3 ways. So this is the default way where it's wrapped inside and we put all 3 cushions together so you get this thickness. So this is a nice side-by-side view. This is exactly how it's configured. The V-shaped is pointing towards the top from edge to edge at the top for higher support. The second V fits right underneath it. So again, this is configuration 1. By default, this is how they're shipped to you. If you take off one layer, the thickest layer, you'll notice that the thickest layer is the largest piece. You can simply soften it up quite a bit. This will make it fit better for kids. It makes the entire unit thinner and softer, of course. Then you also can take off the block by itself. So you only have one piece inside. So this fits, you'll see if you experiment with this. Very, very soft, very, very thin, but it does provide nice support. So again, we want to show you all 3 of these, show you how you can customize it to fit perfectly, and it all rolls right up inside. So again, there's 1, there's 2, and there's even 3, or if you just want to use the large thickest one, 4. These are pretty similar, so we don't really mention it officially. But play around with it, try different thicknesses. We know a lot of people have got them and thought, oh, they're too thick or they're too hard. But take out a piece, put it in the back seat, put it under the kids' necks, and then again, this is the adjustment for thickness and softness. The other adjustment some people don't realize is the buckle. So the buckle in the back, if you take off the Velcroed strap, just roll it off, take it off. You can make this fit any size car, any size headrest, and the height adjustment, especially on a Model 3, can really make a difference if you tighten it all the way up. You can make it snug to sit up really high at the top, or you can really stretch it out and loosen the buckle, loosen everything to make it fit way down low over the headrests in either the S, the X, or the 3. So again, we think we've got the best product available with the most adjustments to fit all Teslas, any car for that matter, because you can simply make it really nice and snug, or you can make it large and oversized. And this is all about the height on the back of the headrest, whether it's way down at the bottom or up higher. Tighten it up, sit in the back seat once you find the desired height, and then just tighten it all up and put the sleeve back on. Thanks again. Gen 2, now in stock, now shipping. We've got hundreds in black and white. Black on black, white on white are number 1. We have lots of other variations for the stitching colors, but we are stocked up, ready to go. February 2020. Thank you. The back seat, nice and clean. Looks a lot like the seats, the way the fabric stops and starts with stitching and pockets. And then when you come around to the front, even with the white stitching, still looks very nice. red would look really nice with this red car, obviously. But we want everyone to see how nice and snug it fits. And again, the adjustment, you could stretch it way down here, and you could have it way up high, depending on the height and how tight you make the elastic in the back. Hope that makes sense. This is kind of the default position. And again, if you put your chair way back, and you really wanted neck support, you could flip it over like this, and you really see how someone could get this right behind their head in a nice position to give them some strong neck support. So again, these are all the places and ways it can be used. Again, this is the white stitching. And this is in the standard default position with both inner foam pillows installed. Sure looks clean. Thanks again.